friends, we're out here at 212 Bent Arrow Drive in Destin, Florida, 22541. Quick look at the area. We have a cutie patootie starter home for you today. Let's take a look inside. This home has been very lovingly and tastefully kept. We have 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 984 square feet, built in 1980. Big windows, moody color palette, the luxury vinyl plank on the floor. Additional bedroom number 1. Just off of the living room. Full bathroom. Burning fireplace with that brick all the way to the ceiling, and open to the kitchen dining combo. Beautiful granite in the kitchen here. And then just off of the kitchen is the master bedroom. Access. To the porch outside. Master bath, walk-in shower, we're going to check out the backyard by way of the kitchen. Lot does sit at 0.06 of an acre. Step out into deck area. Covered with sun sail, privacy fenced. And the cobble pathway. Stone pathway, I apologize, to back patio, more backyard area. We've got raised beds, more deck. There's that porch area off the master. And the gate out back takes you directly to you can get it. The neighborhood park just across the way. Super exciting. Every square inch of this home and yard has been thoughtfully designed to be useful. We're just excited for y'all to come out and take a look. So again, 212 Bent Arrow Drive in Destin, Florida, 22541. Come see for yourself.